at Barry Island Beach. Look at that, lovely sandy beach. I've seen a few detectorists have been down here before. I'm interested in doing this beach. I have been for a long time. In fact, I can see a detectorist out right now. I don't know if you can see him. He is just literally here. So yeah, at least now I know 100% I can definitely go on here. It looks like he's gridding it very well. So let's have a little hunt around, see what we can find. There's swimmers as well, so enjoy and see you at the first hole. Oh, just literally got here. First hole, I've filled it back in. Well, I've kind of filled it back in. And the first hole was a iffy 76, and it's turned up a little bit of a rusty penny. So 1p to start us off. It's a 73, 74. Right where that footprint is. Oh, it's nothing. It's a carabiner. Just a carabiner. No. Just a carabiner. Oh, we've got 64, 65. Could be a ring pull. Could be a coin, but I think it might be a ring pull. Right, it's out anyway. Out on the first spade. Yeah, it's a ring pull, as expected. There you go. You just never know, because the numbers are very similar to a 10p piece. It's an 87, 88 and a 90, 92. So let's see what it is. A little bit of rust there. So it could be a coin. It's gone rusty. Could be. It's likely to be something else though. There you go. Just a bit of tin. I've got a 90, 91. Probably a bottle cap now, my luck. Yeah, it's a bottle cap. Never mind. It's just a bit crackly, that was all. That's the only reason why I called it. Got a 51, 52. Possibly a 5p. It could be a bit of aluminium as well. It's a bit deeper than I thought. No, I think there it is there, a bit of metal plate. Yeah, just there. Is that a hair grip or something? Oh no. Bit of copper. Holding your wire down. There you go. I've got a 69, it sounds a bit crackly, but it's all round. Doesn't matter which way round I go, it's a 69. So we'll have that one. And we've got a coin. We've got a 50p. Oh, and it's a Charles one as well. 2023. There you go. And on the back is, can't really make it out to be fair. I can't make it out. Can't make out what it says on the back. It's got R there anyway. But yeah, King Charles. Just to show you how far out I am. Quite a long way out. And there's the water. Creeping up on me. Bit crackly, all over the place, 93 to 95. That looks like it's another coin. Yeah, it's another coin. Queen Elizabeth. 1 penny in immaculate condition. Look at that. 2016. Well, that is spotless. I've got a 72. Solid. So it's going to be a 20p, I would have thought. Yeah, 20 pence piece. 20p. No, I wasn't expecting that. It was crackling away. I was expecting to be another bottle top, but it's a 2 pence piece. That was a crackly 92 to 94. 2 pence piece. There you go. And there's the hole. That is another crackly one. 93 to 95. That could be the black sand actually. I think it's going to be very important anyway. That's another 2p. Oh no, it's not. Certainly looked like it that way round. Turn it over. It's out of a bottle cap. Yeah, it's just the insert from a bottle cap. I've got a 91.92, possibly a 1p or possibly a 2p. Let's have a look. But then again, it could be anything, couldn't it? Yeah, penny. Just a penny. Possibly another penny. It's a 90.91. Occasionally drops to an 89 as well. Or soft sand here. That is out. In the scoop. Certainly sounds like a coin. Might be wrong. There it is there. Yeah, just another penny. 1 pence. Right then. Barry Island Beach has been a producer. It actually give me some coins. So yeah, this has been the best beach so far around the south and west of Wales. However, they were small coins, 1p's, 2p's, I think a 50p, a 20p. So not very big coins, but coins are coins. A little bit of rubbish, not a lot. Mainly bottle tops, which, you know, I've got to get used to the tones using the data. You can see, look, there's one. Got to get used to the tones. I can hear the crackle, so, you know, it is telling, you know, I am pretty well sure that I'm going to be digging a bottle top, but you've got to dig it really just to see. Hope you enjoyed. It was a short video, about hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, but I did promise my wife I'd only be 2 hours. So head back and then we're going to go for a walk. Thanks for joining me. This will be the last Welsh beach that I'll be on. My wife's got a funeral to go to, so we're heading back to Kent. Then we're going to drop the motorhome off for some repairs, get some new wheels, new tyres as well, and then we'll be heading back out again in the first week of November. So yeah, thanks for coming along on that little journey on the south and west coast of Wales, and hopefully see you on the next. Enjoy. Thank you. Bye.